Welcome to Aircraft Interiors Expo.
When?
How are you finding the show this year?
The show is better than last year for MacCarthy. We've had some excellent interest in our laboratory that we've been promoting. We've also had some good walk-ons to the stand from airlines who've seen our pre-show publicity and what we're showcasing. So traffic has been very good, and I must say the quality of the visitor has been exceptional.
Excellent. I'm glad to hear that. So you mentioned that you were showcasing a product. Can you tell about your new products?
That's right. This year we decided to showcase a fully refurbished 767 M8 lavatory. Because over the last year we've had a lot of interest in 767 refurbishment work for lavatories. So we decided middle of last year that's what we were going to focus on. So what we've done this year, we've got a fusion of an M8 lavatory. We've got some existing product that goes in our standard refurbishment kits. We've also got some concepts that we've been looking at, some Korean basins, and we've also got some new product, specifically a new pan guard with material supplied by Schneller, designed and developed by MacCarthy, and also a new toilet shroud. Both of which reduced in weight by about 25 to 30%. They're easier to maintain, easy to replace, and they're quite clean surfaces.
So they're taking the tired old 767s and making the galleys brand new and easier to operate.
That's right. The one thing we do pride ourselves on is making the lavatory as hygienically safe, so to speak, in terms of maintaining it and wipe clean as possible. And that's something the airlines are very interested in.
Airlines are interested in it because customers are interested.
Exactly.
It's a very important thing on an airplane. So tell me, do you have any other products?
We're also showcasing Baby Cradle, which again designed, developed and manufactured by MacCarthy. Again, we've had a lot of interest. We showcased this last year. It's an exciting product for us. It's been in our portfolio for some years, but always generates interest. It's currently flying with Virgin, Emirates, Singapore Airlines, and again we've had a lot of interest from airlines around the globe in our cradle. And the good thing about it as well, it's certified for turbulence. It's also had a 5-point harness on it, so the flight crew in times of turbulence don't have to remove the baby from the cradle and hand it back to the parents. It can remain in the cradle in a lie flat or a slightly sitting up position.
I looked at it and it seems to be designed specifically for very young babies.
That's right.
It looks like it would work perfectly for them.
That's right.
See what they like. Yeah.
Being a father myself, I just wished I had something on a long haul flight.
Yes.
Similar to the cradle many years ago.
Yeah, I've had my children, and it would have been very nice to do that.
So we're talking to some Middle Eastern customers about our cradle, and they're very interested in it. So it's been a good product for us.
It's good to see that you're using the show for showcasing, getting the right customers. So I'm sure we'll see you back here next year.
We will be back next year. Hopefully go bigger as well.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Pleasure.